profession I have respect for. It is the teaching profession. No one can dispute. To argue on that. Because each and every one of us passes through the hands of a teacher. For you to be a doctor, a journalist, a nurse, whatever profession you want to be in, is because of a teacher. So that's no doubt my teacher is Jesse, teacher, I've never seen a patient person unengaged. You go to school blank with nothing. She teaches you to hold the pencil. She teaches you to shape letters. Everything she teaches us. Things that we cannot do as parents at home. We can't do that. We are impatient. In fact, when the children bring back homework, we don't even help them do their homework. They go back to school with undone homework just because we are lazy. And in some cases, probably we can't help because we don't have the knowledge to be helping them. But the teacher, teacher anofana kubhadharwa mari rakumiririra teacher. Rakumiririra teacher abhadharwe mari zvokuti everybody else will be wishing kuti dai ndakaenda kunoita teacher. Tinofanira kutovaremekeza nekucelebrate everybody who is called a teacher. The president is, yes, I'm a politician and I've studied economics, I've studied this or that field, but the most important profession that has molded me is teaching, being a teacher. You imparting knowledge kune vanoda kuziva. Zvakanaka sei kuti wadaro tove a nation called Zimbabwe that has achieved a literacy rate which is next to none. We must be proud. It is because of our leader Mugabe. Saka tiri vanhu vakapiwa dzidzo, tiri vanhu tapiwa dzidzo kudaro, haingove dzidzo ingopiwa chete kuti tingobvaira kuturika madzidziri yako kuti iri Dr. Mugabe, kwete, iri Dr. Mundenge, kwete. What matters is not the qualifications you hold as an individual, but what matters is what you do with those qualifications. We are so good at praising ourselves. We are educated. We have done so many degrees. But when you ask some of these people who have numerous degrees, what is it? What is it that you can show me? Anything tangible. That's what you want. You must use that knowledge. Batsira nyika yeZimbabwe ndizvo tinoita kuchikoro. Not kuvhara kuti ndiri ingandataura tikapiwa dominion over everything. Mwari akatipa resources akatipa. But let's use knowledge yatinoacquire kuchikoro improve ourselves, our standard of living. Tingangove vanhu vanongove kuchikoro kuma usiku nemakati kasuke mombe chingoti takafunda pasina zvatiri kuita. We are good at that. Sometimes data conventions. We must be creative, we must be innovative as Zimbabweans. Tiri kuenda taona mwana ari kuenda kuchikoro, hatisi kukuendesera kuchikoro kungonodzidza kuti ndakaendwa nanemuzaka nekuzvinzwa. Noda kuti uye unditaure kuti amai I've established my own entity in that business woman. Hapana chinokutadza, you need to think. You need to think, but you know it's tough going. Businesses, big businesses come actually, all about take when you establish yourself. You must know, and you must be consistent. unofana kushinda wakamira chichioma unofana kusei to say it yourself zvakaoma asi I must just persevere. Never actually let challenges overcome you. Where you must be able to overcome challenges. Tinema teachers and to teacher. Pastor teaching. No kwanisa kana taita fire that way.